He has 1,000 stamina but can't sprint. He becomes invisible and really fast while in raging pace. For every survivor, including Slasher, their screen becomes dark like here. But the survivors get flashlights to see. But for Slasher is a bit brighter, the Neem for survivors.